LastPass Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the LastPass Affiliate Program based on personal usage and experience. For those of you interested in earning commissions by promoting one of the most popular password management tools, you'll find useful links to the program in the description below. LastPass is known for its user-friendly platform that helps individuals and businesses securely store and manage passwords. It's a highly reputable brand in the password management space, offering features like secure password storage, autofill for forms, password sharing for teams, and multi-device syncing. As an affiliate, you'll be promoting a product that provides real value to users concerned about cybersecurity. The LastPass Affiliate Program is a great choice for anyone interested in earning passive income from promoting a trusted brand. The program offers competitive commissions of up to $40 per sale. And even better, it's recurring. As LastPass operates on a subscription-based model, once a customer subscribes, you'll continue earning commissions every time they renew their subscription, making it an ideal choice for affiliates looking for long-term passive revenue. The affiliate program is managed through the Impact Network, giving you access to real-time tracking, detailed analytics, and customizable links and banners that you can use to promote LastPass on your website or social media channels. Whether you're just starting out or have experience in affiliate marketing, the tools provided make it easy to track your efforts and optimize your strategies. LastPass is made for individual users, families, and businesses who want to improve their online security. Its wide range of features makes it an appealing option for anyone who needs a reliable password manager. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affiliate program that combines a reliable product, recurring commissions, and easy-to-use affiliate tools, the LastPass Affiliate Program is an excellent option to consider. It's a trusted, valuable tool for online security, and its subscription model offers a great chance to earn steady income. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and to get started.